Hello and welcome to another video on how to tutorials. Today's video is based on how to delete search and viewed history on AliExpress. Whether you want to maintain your privacy or simply tidy up your account, we've got you covered. To get started, open the AliExpress app on your device, tap the search bar at the top of the home page. You can see the bin icon at the far right of the search history. Now tap it. Click yes to remove all your search history. Click back and tap on the search bar again. You can see that your search history has been cleared. Now to delete your viewed history, tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Press the gear icon at the top right. Now click viewed. Tap on the orange sliding button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm that you want to delete your viewing history. And you're done. You've successfully cleared your search and viewed history on AliExpress app. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please like and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.